Meccanica nasce dalla mia passione per l'innovazione.
Since the beginning, our main goal has been to be as close as possible to our customer.
They choose us because Meccanica is capable of finding the best solutions to their machining needs, and Meccanica knows what customers want.
We sell our products all over the world. We are present in 136 countries and work together with an extensive network of distributors, dealers, representatives to always be by our customer side.
We have decided to enter the USA economy because the high demand from the American customers has given us the input to dedicate our resources towards this important and professional market.
The productive potentiality of our plant reaches 2,000 units per year. Our most sold machine, our main product, is the W Series, our line boring and overlay welding machine tool.
Our machine tools have a lot of benefits. They find application in various fields. Our machine tools work directly on site, and they do also line boring, overlay welding, and other applications with only one machine tool and only one setup, so no more downtime.
Our range of products consists in 8 types of machine tools.
The common denominator is one. They are the ones to fix it all.
This is why we're always a step ahead of others. This is why customers choose Meccanica.